A little bit slow making videos lately, but I got an interesting project here. Got a window in a really nice room that's deteriorated quite a bit. It looked something like this a little while ago, if not worse. It was worse. So I've taken 80 grit sandpaper and 60 grit sandpaper and sanded all the loose stuff down, and I've dug out some of the loose. Got this little trowel here. See what I can do about making it look smooth. The thing is, I'm not no expert at this, but I have to just do as good as I can, and then I have to move on. And I'll show you an example in just a minute of yesterday's results, and you can see if I've done a good enough job. And the thing is, it's just a repair job too. It's just not a whole window thing. I spent several hours getting this prepped out. It takes forever to dig out the little putty. Sometimes if it's loose, it's not doing anything, and it's got to come out in some places if it's that bad. And it takes a long time to get that stuff out. So I don't want to be breaking any windows, which I've had my share of this summer. So that's, that's just smoothing it out. Imagining it's your thumb. I use it to fill any little cracks that are there too on that window frame there. So you just keep going and going and going, and I'll come back. I've got all this up here to do. Keep making it, trying to look a little bit better. And then sometimes once it's dry, you still have to take the razor blade and cut some of it off. There's it. And this stuff doesn't sand very well, so you got to try and get it as smooth as you can. That's not filming very good. I knew this window wasn't going to be a winner for doing this stuff, so I think that's enough showing that. Now just go over here. This window was in pretty sad shape. So now to get down here, there's a little bit of the roughness. See, I didn't sand those big things smooth. So is it acceptable? And when you look back, it looks a hell of a lot better than it did. Used a mini roller on here. So, I think he'll be happy. And that's going to be my putty lesson, I guess we'll call that. Window putty, glazing putty in a tube. Take one.